Tired of struggling to edit PDFs without expensive software? Learn how to annotate any PDF for free using OneNote in under 5 minutes. First, I'll show you how to insert your PDF as a printout. Then, we'll lock it as a background and add text, drawings, and highlights. Alright, let's jump in. You're going to start by opening OneNote. Navigate to the specific page where you want to work with your PDF. It can be any page in any notebook. Just get it ready. Now, let's bring your PDF in. The way you do this depends on whether you're on Windows or a Mac. If you're on Windows, go up to the Insert tab. Look for the option that says File Printout. Click that. Browse through your computer to find your PDF, select it, and click Insert. OneNote will then convert each page of your PDF into an image and place them on your page. This might take a moment to process, especially if your document is long, so just give it a second. If you're on a Mac or using the web version, the process is a bit simpler. Go to the Insert menu, choose File, and select your PDF. Or, even easier, you can just grab the PDF file from your computer and drag it directly onto your OneNote page. Same result, just a little faster. And here's the thing, I referenced a few different guides to make sure these steps work on every version, so you're getting instructions that have been well tested. So now that we've got the PDF on the page, we need to lock it in place. If you try to type right now, you might accidentally bump the PDF image and move it around, which is frustrating. So right-click anywhere on the PDF pages. From the menu that appears, choose Set Picture as Background. This locks the document down so it won't budge while you work on it. It's a small step, but it saves you a ton of headache later. Now for the fun part, actually editing. To add typed text, just click anywhere on the canvas. OneNote will create a text box right where you click. You can then type your notes and drag the text box to exactly where you want it on top of the PDF. Want to add a comment next to a paragraph? Just click and start typing. For handwritten notes or highlighting, head over to the Draw tab. You'll see a selection of pens, pencils, and highlighters. Pick a color and thickness that you like, and then just write or draw directly onto the PDF pages. This is perfect for circling important details, underlining key sentences, or just scribbling quick thoughts. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've taken a static, uneditable PDF and turned it into a fully annotatable document using nothing but OneNote. No extra software, no subscriptions, no hassle. If this helped you out, give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.